Welcome to our channel. The Google Nest Wi-Fi Pro Mesh system delivers whole home Wi-Fi coverage with easy setup. Follow these easy steps to get connected. Step 1. Download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Step 2. Plug in your primary Nest Wi-Fi Pro router near your internet modem and connect them with an Ethernet cable. Step 3. Wait for the router's light to pulse white, indicating it's ready for setup. Step 4. Open the Google Home app and tap the Add button to set up a new device. Step 5. Select Setup Device, then New Device. The app will search for your Nest Wi-Fi Pro. Step 6. Scan the QR code on the bottom of your router when prompted by the app. Step 7. Follow the in-app instructions to name your network and create a password. Step 8. For mesh coverage, add additional Nest Wi-Fi Pro points by plugging them in around your home and adding them through the app. Position them in areas where you need stronger Wi-Fi signal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.